Hi everyone, as I promised, I'm doing a short update about my hair condition. Now the surgery has been 4 months ago. My hair started to grow. As they said, the full result will be achieved after 18 months, so I still have a while to wait. After 1 month, the hair they implanted fell down, so not the follicles but the hair. It's because of the shock wave or something like that, they explained. But after 2 months it began to grow, and especially after using this minoxidil, the results can be really seen, and you can tell it's a big difference in comparison to what was before. About the surgery, you saw in the video, was pretty straightforward. It was painless, which was very important for me. I love the clinic I choose. I don't want to make free advertising for them. If I had to undergo this procedure again, I would again choose a Smile Hair Clinic. Highly professional, very nice doctors, very good conditions. I don't know about other clinics because obviously I've been only to this one, but I was very satisfied with my choice. I booked it through Kuno Medical, which I can only recommend because there are some intermediates who just help you in finding the clinic and assisting you in finding something according to your budget. They don't charge you anything. They are taking their commission from the clinic, so Kuno Medical is the point to start. And for those of you who want to undergo this kind of procedure, you can check also their Facebook site. It's called the Hair Loss Crusaders, and there you can read a lot of reviews and see a lot of photos from people who had undergone this procedure and are or are not happy with it. Regarding your questions, why did it not implant much more hair and coming with a new hairline a little bit farther down? The explanation was that there are a lot of face muscles and they are not able to rebuild your hair structures like it was in your early 20s, but rather they can do things for you to look like in your early 30s. The procedure was much more easier than expected, but the recovery was a little bit hard. So for 1 month, it's pretty hard, I must say. During the first 10-14 days, you are not allowed to sleep. You're allowed to sleep only on your back because you're not supposed to touch by any chance, by any means, the region, the implanted region. I've had a little bit of itching in the donor areas on the back of my head, but in my forehead, I didn't feel anything. It was also pretty hefty for me because I'm a sports guy and I wasn't allowed to do any sports for 1 month after the procedure. Maybe because I was not supposed to sweat on my forehead, but after 1 month I was able to do whatever I wanted. Sports, I was able to wear hats, I was able to dye my hair, so I would say it's 1 month that will be harder for you after the procedure. After the transplant, they recommended a lot of medicines. I didn't take any of them because there were these discussions about finasteride. The things I've used were just vitamin and mineral capsules and this minoxidil spray. They recommend you minoxidil spray 5%. There are all kind of products on the market, starting with very expensive hair grow or alopexy, but I just bought something on Amazon. It's called minoxidil. It was much more cheaper. Very important is to have 5% minoxidil. I love to give some advice or to encourage you to do this or that if you want to do it. I know how I myself was before getting this operation. I was very scared. I didn't know what to do, and now I'm happy I did it. I don't want again to advertise for any company, for any clinic, and I don't say do it. But if you feel you will be feeling better with more hair, you can take this into considerations, and I'm always here to answer your questions. Wish you all a wonderful time, and remember, every day is a holiday. Bye.